Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Mars01 robot vacuum and mop combo. A versatile 3-in-1 cleaning solution that sweeps, mops, and vacuums with an impressive 5,000 pascals suction power. Equipped with LIDAR navigation and smart mapping technology, this robot efficiently navigates your home, avoiding obstacles and respecting no-go zones you set, making it perfect for pet owners and families with delicate furniture. With a high-capacity battery that offers up to 180 minutes of runtime, this low-noise robot ensures a thorough clean across multiple floor types, thanks to its intelligent suction adjustment. You can easily control the Mars01 using the Laresar Clean app or voice commands, allowing you to set cleaning schedules, choose modes, and monitor progress from anywhere in your home. The self-charging feature ensures the robot returns to its dock when the battery is low, providing a hassle-free cleaning experience. With a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, Laresar Clean prioritizes customer satisfaction, making this robot vacuum an ideal gift for families, pet owners, and those with limited mobility. Remember, the Mars01 supports a stable 2.4G Wi-Fi connection, ensuring seamless operation throughout your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.